Looking for a smarter way to improve student accountability? Try SmartPass, a game-changing digital hall pass solution that replaces traditional hall passes to foster better student outcomes. With SmartPass, students can create a hall pass with just 3 clicks directly from a kiosk or a one-to-one device. The pass is active and the student is on their way with little disruption to the teacher or class, reducing classroom disruptions and enabling teachers to focus on teaching. SmartPass keeps a comprehensive digital record of missed class time and makes it easy to prevent too many kids from being out in the halls at once. No GPS tracking, no student phones required. SmartPass is safe and accessible for all. Make student accountability and hall management easier in your school. See why schools love SmartPass today.